I'm Sienna Bowles. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra linear equation. Let's take a look at today's sum. A and B can complete a work in 8 days. A can do it alone in 12 days. If B alone can do the work in X days, obtain an equation in X. Also, find the number of days in which B alone can do the work. Over here, it is given that A and B together, when they work together, they can complete the work in 8 days. A can do it alone in 12 days. A can do a work alone in 12 days. Therefore, A can do 1/12. A can do 1/12 part of the work, 1/12 of the work alone in 1 day. Alone in 1 day. That's for A. And in case of B, it is considered means B alone can do the work in X days. Then that means B can do a work alone in X days. Therefore, B can do 1/x part of the work alone in 1 day. B can do 1/x of the work alone in 1 day. Working together, they can complete Now we have to sum up how much work they can do, each of them, how much work alone can they do in 1 day to get how much they can complete in 1 day if they work together. That is, working together, they can complete 1/12 plus 1/x, 1/12 plus 1/x part of the work. Work in 1 day. And also we have one information given in the sum, one piece of information is given that A and B can complete a work in 8 days together. That means here we got working together, they can complete this much part of the work in 1 day. Similarly, working together, they can complete a work in 8 days. Therefore, working together, they can complete together they can complete 1/8 part of a work in one day. That means over here we can equate this expression with 1/8. But before we form the equation, you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our equation, let's obtain the equation. So previously we got working together, they can complete 1/12 plus 1/x of a work in one day. Along with that, we also got working together, they can complete 1/8 of a job in one day. That means we can equate those. Now let's solve the equation and get x, which is actually the number of days in which B alone can do the work. Let's do this. Or, doing a transposition, we get 1/x equal to 1/8 minus 1/12. Over here, let's get the LCM of 8 and 12 really quickly. It is 24, or 1/x equal to, over here we get 3/24, and over here we get 2. So ultimately, doing that mentally, 1/24. Taking reciprocal on both sides, we finally get, therefore, x equal to 24. Our final answer is, therefore, B alone can do the work in 24 days. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.